If you're exporting goods, you know how important accurate documentation is. But have you ever wondered what's the difference between a bill of lading and a packing list? And can you use one instead of the other? I'm Kari Crane, editor of Shipping Solutions International Trade Blog Passages. Today I'll break down the key differences between these two documents and why both are essential for a smooth export process. Plus, I'll explain how Shipping Solutions makes it easy to create both. But before I get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our basics of exporting videos. Let's start with the bill of lading. This document serves as evidence of a contract between the shipper and the carrier, a receipt acknowledging the carrier has received your goods and that they have been received in good order, or in the same condition as when they left the shipper's facility. If needed, it can serve as a document of title. This is especially important for international payments and can help guarantee you get paid. In other words, the bill of lading confirms the goods have been shipped in good condition and can be used to transfer ownership. There are several types of bills of lading, depending on your mode of transport: inland, ocean, and air. Each one includes key details like the exporter's and inland carrier's information, description of the goods, and carrier instructions. Now let's talk about the packing list. While it's not a legal document like the bill of lading, it's still incredibly important. The packing list provides detailed information about the contents of your shipment, what's inside each box, the weight, dimensions, and any special instructions. Freight forwarders use this list to create the bill of lading, while customs and other authorities use it to verify that the shipment matches the cargo description. The packing list is especially helpful if there's a dispute over the weight or measurement of the cargo. Customs may use it to check for compliance with import requirements, and even banks can request it for payment verification under certain payment terms. This document includes details like the names and addresses of the exporter and consignee, each item in the shipment and its packaging, and special handling instructions to ensure safe delivery. The bill of lading and packing list work together to prevent delays, ensure compliance, and help you get paid on time, but only if you complete them accurately. That's where Shipping Solutions export documentation software comes in. Our software allows you to create and manage your export documents, like bills of lading and packing lists, 5 times faster by eliminating repetitive data entry and minimizing errors. Want to see how it works? These 2 videos will show you how, or register below for a free online demo. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real-world advice for exporters like you. For even more resources, check out the hundreds of articles on exporting and compliance available at shippingsolutions.com/blog, linked below.